Yeah, absolutely. My name is Johan. I work for Technical Assistance Center, better known as TAC. We help out our customers when they run into trouble. So, traditional, we would do a telephone call and kind of help customer that way. And now we have several other tools in our bag to help out. And one being a software that we call Statuscope, so that resides on the customer's instrument computer, and it will send helpful data points to us. And in case of trouble, it will raise a notification to customer, and in more severe cases to TAC as well, so we can reach out to the customer and kind of see what's up and see if we can help them out. And it's also kind of monitors the instrument in the background, so there could be like a hot turbo pump or a like an ambient temperature that's very high in the lab, and we could know that even if the customer is not in the lab, so we can notify them. And then we have the more traditional, where we would like remote into the customer's computer and help them that way and see what the customer sees essentially on the customer's computer. And that was definitely saw an uptick during the pandemic, that people were really interested in remote support. Many times they were remote themselves, so we could kind of together log into the customer's computer instrument, see what's going on, and try to help them out. And then thirdly is like a new software that we call Visual Assist, and it's a little applet that you download onto your smartphone, and then I can essentially see what the customer sees via the camera on their smartphone. And it comes in really handy when it's more of a problem with something not related to, like, let's say an LC pump. You want to try to locate a leak or something like that. We can kind of visually see. We've been having cases where customers taking apart the pump head on their LC and now wondering, like, how did I put this all together? And then we can kind of see what the customer sees. So that's a new tool that's been helpful.